If you run a car service center and if you are tired of manually answering thousands of customer queries, then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can automate your car servicing requests via WhatsApp. And in this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any customer will send us any text message, then our WhatsApp chatbot will reply them automatically on our behalf. So if you are ready to learn how I will create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that, let us jump right onto my screen. Hello everyone, today I am excited to show this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my car service center business, and I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that, we will open my WhatsApp account, and inside this particular chat, I will send this keyword book service to this particular chat, and then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will instantly send me this welcome message. Welcome to Good Care Car Service Center. I can help you with, and it has also gave me these 3 different type of options to select from. So as I want to book a car service, so I will select this particular option, and after that this bot has sent me this message where it is asking me to share my car details in this particular format. So I will copy this particular format from here, and then I will paste it inside my chat. After that, I will modify this particular format as per my need, and then I will send this message inside this chat. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message, and here this bot has sent me this another message. Thanks, now please choose your preferred service type. Now I have to select among these following 3 services. So as I want full service for my car, so I will select this full service. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me another message where it is asking me to select my preferred date and time slot for this service, and it has also gave me example. So I will again copy this particular text, I will paste it inside this chat, and then I will modify this date as per my need, and I will send it inside this chat. After that, this bot has sent me this another message, almost done, please share your pickup location, and here it is asking me for my pickup location. So I will also enter my pickup location inside this particular chat, and here I have sent it, and here this bot has send me this service summary where it has included the model of my car, the service type that I have selected, the date for which I want this particular summary, and also my pickup location. And it is asking me, would you like to confirm this booking? So as I want to confirm, so I will click on this yes button. Otherwise, I could have selected this edit details button if I wanted to edit any of these following details. So after clicking this yes button, you can see this bot has sent me this concluding message. Your car service has been scheduled successfully. Our team will contact you shortly for pickup confirmation. Thank you for choosing us. So you just saw how easily I could book this car service for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot is much more easier than booking this particular service. So now I will show you how exactly I created this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, we will go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. And after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here on the right corner, you can see we have got these 2 different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before that, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, as I am an existing user, so inside this landing page of my Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this sign in button. I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button inside this box, and then I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And here you can select any of these two different given methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to connect your WhatsApp number. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these amazing following features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that we will add link of separate videos inside the description box of this video, so you can go and check those videos from there. And after adding my WhatsApp number, as I want to create a WhatsApp chatbot, so that's why I will select this flows features, and then I will click on this flows. After that you will see that all the flows that I have created for myself are now visible to you, and you can see this is the exact same WhatsApp chatbot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will inactive this particular WhatsApp chatbot, as I am going to create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot for you guys. Now to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, I will click on this add flows button. After that you will see that I will get directed on this most important window for our workflow, which holds this trigger button. But before moving on this trigger, I would like to give a meaningful name to my chatflow, chatbot to automate car servicing's request, and then we will move towards my trigger step. And inside this trigger button you can see there are three different boxes: trigger event, enter keywords, and this enter rejects. So for this trigger event is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see these all are the trigger events which I can select to kickstart my chatbot. But for now I will select this particular keyword or rejects match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get triggered on basis of some keywords that I will enter inside this particular enter keyword box. So to enter keywords inside this box, you just have to type down the exact same word, and then you have to press enter button. And here our keyword has been added successfully. So I will add one more keyword, and then when I will press this enter button, you will see that this keyword has also got successfully added. Now as our trigger step is all ready, so now we will move towards my action step. And for my action step, I want that whenever any customer sends me any of these following keywords, I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame welcome message, I will drag this text button inside this window, and then after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter the welcome message inside this particular box for my customer. So here I have entered this welcome message: hello, welcome to Good Care Car Service Center. And just below this I have written this text I can help you with. So just below this text I will add three different buttons, and in those buttons I will add options for my customer to select from. So I will quickly enter the text inside my buttons. So here I have entered these following text inside my button. So now let us move towards setting up this button. So for this first button, book a car service, I want that whenever a customer clicks on this particular button, I want to ask my customer some questions. So to frame questions from this action features, I will drag this ask question button and I will drop it in here. And then first of all, I will connect this particular button with this question, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular question for my customer, where I am asking my customer to send me their car model. So for that you can see I have entered this message, and now for this contact custom field, I will click on this particular custom field car details, because I have created this particular custom field to store the details given by my customer. And for this format I will select this as any, and then we will move towards my next action step. So for that, as I want my customer to select the type of car service, so from this messages I will drag this text button, and inside this enter message box I will enter this particular message for my customer: thanks, now please choose your preferred service type. And first of all I will connect both of these circles, and then just below this particular text I will add three different buttons, and in those three different buttons I will add three different type of services that I provide from my car service center. And here I have added these three different type of services which I offer from my car service center. And now as I want to store these particular selections made by my customer, so for that I will take help of this amazing feature set custom field, and I will drag it in here. And with the help of this custom field, whenever any customer will select any of these following services for themselves, then my chatbot will remember this particular service selected by my customer. So first of all I will connect both of these circles, and then for this select contact custom field I will select this service type contact custom field which I have created to store the service type selected by my customer, and inside this enter value box I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it in here, and you can see I have successfully set up this contact custom field for my first button, regular maintenance, and just like this I will quickly complete the setup of my remaining 2 buttons. So here I have completed the setup of my contact custom fields. Now I will show you how you can also create contact custom field for yourself. But before exiting this particular page, I will advise you to click on this save button to save your workflow. Otherwise all the work that you have done here will lost. So now I will click on the settings features, and from here I will select this contact custom field, and inside this you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. And to add one more field I have to click on this particular button, and then I have to give a name to this particular custom field, and after that I have to click on this save button, and here our custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this contact custom field from this particular flow. So you can see this is the flow in which I am working. Now when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you can see here this new contact custom field test has been added successfully. Now I can use this particular field if I want to store any of the preference selected by my customer. So now we will move towards my next action step, and for that, as I want to ask a question to my customer, so I will drag this ask question button, and inside this particular message box I will enter this particular message for my customer. Please enter your preferred date and time slot for the service, and I have also provided this particular example. So then I will connect all of these 3 custom fields with this particular question, and after that from this contact custom field drop down I will select this custom field date and time that I have created to store the date and time selected by my customer, and then for this format I will select it as any. And after this, for my next action step, as I want to ask one more question for my customer, so I will drag this ask question button, and after connecting both of these circles I will enter the message which I want to ask to my customer inside this particular box. And here I have typed down this message where I am asking my customer to share their pickup location. So for that, this contact custom field I will select this destination, and this format I will select it again as any. And after that, as I have asked all of the question which I wanted to ask my customer, so for now I will send them a service summary. So to frame that, I will drag this text button, and inside this enter message box I will enter the message for my customer. And here I have entered this message, perfect, here is your service summary, and just below this you can see I have mapped these 4 following details: car, service type, date and location, just by using the exact same contact custom field which I have created to store this particular selections or particular answers given by my customer. And just in front of these contact custom field I have used this $sign, and with the help of this I can map the data selected by my customer or given in response by my customer. So you can see I have mapped this car by applying this car details custom field, this service type by this service type field, and this date and time, and also this location. And below this I will ask this question, would you like to confirm this booking? So that's why just below this particular button I will add 2 different buttons of yes and edit details. So I will type down the text inside this buttons yes, and after that this edit details, and then I want that whenever my customer clicks on this edit details button, then a particular message will get delivered to him where I will ask him what exact details he want to edit. So to frame that, I will drag this text button in here, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the message for my customer, and here I have entered this particular text, alright, what do you want to edit? And just below this text I have added these 3 different buttons: location, date and time, and service type. So first of all I will connect both of the circles, and after that for this location button I will connect this location button with this particular question where I have asked my customer to enter their location. So I will connect this location with this particular location question. After that, for this date and time button I will connect this with this question, date and time. And then for this service type I will select this particular button and I will connect it with this particular question where I have asked my customer to select their service type. And with this, if my customer want to edit any of these following details, then he can directly click on them, and after that the particular question will get delivered to him so that they can easily change their selections made. And now if my customer clicks on this yes button, so for that also, as I want to send another message, so I will drag this text button inside this box, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this particular concluding message for my customer: your service has been scheduled successfully successfully. Our team will contact you shortly for pickup confirmation. Thank you for choosing us. And then I just have to connect both of these following buttons. And with this, you can see I have successfully completed the setup of my first button, book a car service. And now I will move towards my second button, view service package. So whenever a customer clicks on this particular button, as I want to send them a message inside which I will include all the details about the service package which I provide. So inside this enter message box, I will enter all of the service package that I provide inside my car service center. And here I have entered all of the details about the service that I provide from my car service center. And now just below this, you can see I have also added this button, book now, so that if my customer wants directly to book any service for themselves, then they can directly click on this button and book a service for themselves. So now if my customer clicks on this particular book now button, I want to direct them to this particular question where I am asking them their details about their car. So for that, I will connect this particular button with this particular circle, and here both of them are connected. Now whenever any customer will click on this book now button, he will automatically get directed to this particular message. So now we will move towards my third button, this talk to expert. And to frame this, first of all, I will drag this ask question button inside this window, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message for my customer where I am asking my customer to type down their contact number. So to save this particular contact number, I will select this particular field, client phone, and then inside this format I will select it as any. After that, first of all, I will connect both of these following buttons, and then in response of this particular question, I want to send my customer another message. So to frame that, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter the message which I want to send to my customer. And here I have entered this message, our agents will contact you soon. Meanwhile, you can check our service packages, and below this message you can see I have added this button, service packages. So now I will connect this particular button with this particular message where I have sent my customer all the service packages provided in my car service center. So now with this, I have successfully completed the setup of my WhatsApp chatbot which I have created to automate my car servicing request. Now I will click on this save button to save this particular chatbot, and after that we will go on my WhatsApp account, and there we will test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working all right or not. And clicking on this save button is absolutely necessary because otherwise your chatbot will not work as expected. So now we will move towards my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send this particular keyword again, book service. After that, you will see that my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and it has sent me this welcome message. And again, if I want to book a car service, or I want to view service package, or if I want to talk to expert, so I can interact with this particular WhatsApp chatbot to select any service which I want. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for myself inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to clone this flow, then for you I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video, so you can go and clone this flow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.